तो ना करते हुए भी तेज और सुहानी का दुबई जाना तय हो गया। और कमाल तो ये था कि जो सुहानी की माँ सुहानी के लाख समझाने पर भी नहीं समझ रही थी, वो तेज के एक बार कहने पर मान गई। न जाने तेज ने ऐसा क्या जादू कर दिया था सुहानी की माँ पर, जो उन्होंने तेज के साथ सुहानी को अकेले भेजने के लिए हाँ कर दी। तो जैसे जैसे बोर्डिंग का वक्त नजदीक आ रहा था, सुहानी के दिल की धड़कनें बढ़ती जा रही थी। वो तेज को लेके कॉन्फिडेंट तो थी कि तेज उसके साथ कुछ गलत नहीं करेगा, पर तेज के गुस्से का खौफ सुहानी के दिल में अभी भी बना हुआ था कि जाने तेज कब भड़क जाए।
I'm nervous, Mr. Tej.
Why?
It's my first foreign trip. Of course I will be nervous.
I'm with you. Then why are you nervous?
आप नहीं समझेंगे।
Listen, हम बस एयरपोर्ट में हैं और तुम डर रही हो. We have a 2-day stay. How will you manage then?
Mr. Tej, don't worry. I'm a psychiatrist and I know how to handle this type of situation.
Then let's go.
हाँ, वैसे आपकी प्राइवेट जेट कहाँ है?
मेरे घर में. I have parked it there.
Lol, what a joke, Mr. Tej.
I have arranged everything. We just have to go for security check.
इसलिए आपने रात का टाइम चूज किया?
रात में रश कम रहता है, रनवे भी बिजी नहीं रहते.
Oh, I get it. Finally everything is done. अब कहाँ जाना है, Mr. Tej?
We will have to wait until pilots confirm our boarding.
Okay. This is new to me, so I don't know much about it. Sorry if my questions are bothering you.
It's okay. I know you're excited and nervous.
Wow, Mr. Tej, you're understanding me.
I'm not as bad as you make me out to be.
No, ऐसा नहीं है, Mr. Tej.
So, you want to eat something?
Sandwich and Coke?
What about pizza?
Pizza?
Did you like that the last time?
When? Oh shit, you heard on phone call yesterday, didn't you?
Your friend answered your call, but the call was disconnected immediately.
Oh gosh, बच गए. ये लड़की भी ना कितनी पागल है. कुछ करने से पहले सोचती ही नहीं. अगर मिस्टर तेज ने और भी बातें सुन ली होती तो अच्छा हुआ नहीं सुनी.
क्या सुना था?
अब नहीं, कुछ नहीं. चलिए, पिज्जा डन.
You go sit. I'll bring it for you.
ओके. वाओ, मिस्टर तेज कितना स्वीट बिहेव कर रहे हैं. कहीं मुझे डायबिटीज ना हो जाए इतनी स्वीटनेस से. सुहानी टोक मत. जो हो रहा है होने दे.
Here, take this.
वाओ, मिस्टर तेज, दिस लुक्स अमेजिंग.
खा लो जल्दी. They can call any time.
सो गुड. आप नहीं लेंगे?
No, you enjoy. I will have coffee.
मिस्टर तेज ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. प्लीज एक बाइट ना, प्लीज.
ओहो, तुम कभी किसी की बात सुनती हो?
हाँ, सुनती हूँ ना.
किसकी?
मम्मा की.
और?
जया मैम की.
और?
बस.
That guy?
You mean रोहन? नहीं, he is my friend. So एक लिमिट तक.
और मैं? Okay. Yes, we'll be there.
बच गए.
कुछ कहा तुमने?
अब नहीं तो.
Let's go. Jet is ready for boarding.
Okay, but Mr. Tej, ये pizza?
Take it with you.
सच्ची? Mr. Tej, you are best.
I know.
Shit, सुन लिया. Wow, Mr. Tej, your jet. I know मैं इसमें पहले भी आई हूँ, but this time it seems different. Why didn't I focus on it last time?
Because you were busy thinking about that guy you left at the wedding. Now shut your mouth.
Mr. Tej, it's so freaking amazing. I'm so happy as well as nervous. There will be only 2 of us in such a big aircraft. Aren't you afraid of it?
I'm used to it. Now let's go.
Wow. Mr. Tej, इतनी तेज हवा चल रही है. Are you sure कोई problem नहीं होगी?
You're worrying too much, Sohani. Weather is normal. Get inside quick. We have an allotted time for departure and we can't miss it. Stop being nervous, okay?
Yeah, okay. Wow, so beautifully aligned, comfortable seats. ये प्लेन सच में मुझे अभी एकदम अलग और न्यू दिख रहा है। क्या मिस्टर तेज ने चेंजेस किया है इसमें? Maybe.
Good evening, sir. Ma'am?
Good evening.
This way, ma'am. Seating and rooms are here.
Huh? Room? Mr. Tej?
Yes, in this jet there are 2 rooms.
How? Are you kidding me? इस जेट में रूम भी है?
You can check for yourself.
Whoa! I can't imagine. First of all, I'm traveling in a private jet, which has 2 bedrooms also. I'm going to Dubai. Am I dreaming? This can't be real.
Come, sit. Let the plane take off, then you can check each and every corner.
Cool. Thank you so much, Mr. Tej.
Okay, sit.
Shit. पागल लड़की, अपनी एक्साइटमेंट में तूने मिस्टर तेज का हक क्यों किया? कोई गलत इंटेंशन मत शो कर।
Don't worry. I've promised your mom you're completely safe with me.
हाँ, sorry.
We are heading for takeoff, sir. Ma'am, please fasten your seat belts and wait for the seat belt sign to turn off. You can use your bedroom then.
Are you excited?
I'm dying from excitement, Mr. Tej. I just love takeoff. आपको क्या पसंद है, मिस्टर तेज?
What? What do you say?
आपको फ्लाइट से ट्रैवल करने में क्या पसंद है?
I never thought about it. And now don't disturb me.
सोते शेर को मत छेड़ सुहानी। अभी पूरे 2 दिन तो इनके साथ है। मिस्टर तेज,
क्या?
मैं प्लेन देख लूं प्लीज?
Sign?
ऑफ है, सी?
Huh. Go. Wait, let me call the air hostess. She will help you.
कूल, ये
Such a child.
Yes, sir. How may I help you?
Yes, show the aircraft, please.
Okay, sir. This way, ma'am.
Oh my god, is this bedroom? Gosh, it's so big.
Yes, ma'am. 2 people can easily stay here. It's designed for couple. It even has private lavatory.
Are you kidding me?
No, ma'am. Come this way. I'll show you.
Wow, I think you need to pinch me.
Ma'am, you're really cute.
Thank you.
Isn't it amazing?
Truly, I feel like I'm dreaming. I can't believe I'm seeing this. Hold me or I will fall.
Okay, if you say so.
Mr. Tej, आप यहाँ कब आए?
When you were busy paying attention to this washroom more than the host.
Mr. Tej, are you flirting?
It's normal conversation, Suhani. Do you want to eat anything?
No. Can I use this bedroom? I'm sleepy.
You don't look like you're sleepy. Anyway, enjoy. I'm outside, just press the call button if you need anything.
Sure. Mr. Tej, wait.
Huh? What? See, now you are hugging me. Don't tell me later that I took advantage of you.
This felt right. I wanted to thank you. You can go now.
Call if you need anything.
Yes.
She's cute, sir. And it's so refreshing to be with her.
Did I ask?
Sorry, sir.
Make sure she's comfortable and serve me wine.
Okay, sir. Sir, shall I wake ma'am up? Plane is heading towards landing.
No, wait. I'll go.
Okay, sir. I will inform the pilot.
Okay. Indeed. Very beautiful. Suhani, wake up.
जाओ यहाँ से, मुझे और सोना है.
It's time for landing. You can't sleep.
लैंडिंग? मैं सो गई थी.
हाँ.
सॉरी मिस्टर तेज, मैं सोना नहीं चाहती थी. But this bed is so comfy. पता ही नहीं चला आँख कब लग गई.
It's okay. Come now.
जी. आप नहीं सोए मिस्टर तेज?
No.
टाइम क्या है मिस्टर तेज?
6:45 a.m.
व्हाट? सुबह हो गई?
Yes, you missed the sunrise.
हाँ मिस्टर तेज, मुझे उठाया क्यों नहीं आपने?
तुमने मुझे बोला था.
हाँ बट आपको खुद सोचना चाहिए था ना, एयरप्लेन से सनराइज का व्यू कितना अमेजिंग होता है.
Come now, sit.
जी. Mr. Tej, can we go out now?
Be patient, Suhani. Let them see. They will call us.
Okay. I just can't wait to breathe in Dubai's air.
Such a child.
Whatever.
Everything is sorted. You can go out now. Thank you for boarding with us, sir, ma'am. Have a great visit in Dubai.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure, ma'am, to have you on board.
Mr. Tej, chale?
You go. I have to talk with the pilot.
Okay. Say my thanks
Why?
for flying us safely.
It's hot outside.
I know. Bye. Gosh, so beautiful.
Undoubtedly. Welcome to Dubai, Suhani.
Indeed, the jewel of the Arab world. Marhaba Dubai!